Hey Notary, if you're ready to earn more income, then this video is for you. In just 3 steps, I'll show you exactly how to take your notary commission to the next level. Unlock the door to high-paying opportunities by becoming a notary signing agent. Let's get started. Step 1. Meet the basic requirement. You must already be a commissioned notary. If you've got that covered, you're ready for the next step. Step 2. Take the signing agent certification test. Here's how to do it. First, go to nationalnotary.org, click Signing Agent in the menu, make sure to select your state. Scroll down and click Become a Signing Agent. Then choose your signing agent package. Here's a pro tip: the training is optional, and the exam questions are not based on the training. Click Order Now. You'll see an option to add a 1-year Find a Notary subscription. This is optional and a relatively new offering through the NNA, and while I have not personally used it, getting your name on as many notary websites as possible can definitely help maximize your income streams. Next, purchase E&O insurance. If you've already purchased adequate coverage, you can skip this step. Most signing agencies require at least $50,000 in coverage. Select your coverage amount and term. You can also add an NNA membership. Having an NNA membership is optional, but there are many benefits to it. One great benefit is using it as a lifeline if you have a notarization question that you need answered quickly and correctly. Just that one option could make an NNA membership priceless. And then choose additional supplies. Check my recommended supply list in your course materials. Click Proceed to Checkout. Review your cart, create your account, enter your details, complete the CAPTCHA, and click Register. Then log into your account. Inside your account, click Training Center. Click Access the NNA Training Center. Go to My Courses, then Enrolled. Select NSA Certification, Training, and Exam, and click Launch. The exam is not timed. You must score at least 80% to pass, and you can retake it as many times as needed. Step 3. Complete the background screening. Within 24 to 48 hours, you'll get an email with registration instructions. Fill out the form completely. Within about 72 hours, your results will be emailed to you. Save that PDF because you'll need it when registering with signing services. And that's it. Just 3 simple steps to unlock limitless opportunities. Take the next step and join me at Signs of Success. You'll get a complete step-by-step signing agent training course to guide you to the top. Your success starts now. Let's make it happen.